GPS directions first, before
It's officially Friday. I have a meeting right now that I'm hopping into. It is an exciting meeting. We're working on our brand kit, and I'm really excited to be working with this designer because, oh my gosh, she's so good. But
Hi, Nika.
hello, good morning.
So let's talk about concept. So super stoked that you guys were excited about Textured Spirit. I think it feels super spot on. You know, it's really inspired by the raw materials of handbags. I love that sort of word you used last week, Nika, with raw materials. So it'll be paper, fabrics, metallic textures, you know, leather.
Tomorrow we have our huge brand photo shoot that we've been planning for weeks, actually. We've been working on the brand kit for months. Now that we got our brand kit, we're just going quick. We planned the whole brand shoot. I can't wait to show you guys. Like, there's just been so much thought and intention with what we're doing to create this shoot. So I hope it translates, and I'm so excited to see it. It is officially our brand shoot day today. I'm so excited because we are in a studio garage, and look at who we have, Maggie. She is our photographer, and she's helping us bring the brand to life. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. I'll take you through today so you can kind of see everything it takes to run a shoot. These are the concepts that we're planning to go for. We have the inspo, and then the talent, and then all the props that we want to take for this. Ooh, the butter section. We're planning on using these little butter bags for this shot. This is wardrobe. I'm so excited for this outfit. I wanted to throw in Hermes jacket. It's one of my favorite coats that I have. Brand colors, it's like leaning chocolate brown. We have Bordeaux, we have butter, and obviously like the creamy oat milk colors too. A few of the bags that we have brought for today's shoot. And oh, there's Jasmine. She's steaming. Snack and craft table. And oh my gosh, who brought the charcuterie? Is this for the props or is this for the vibes?
It's for our sanity.
Okay, trying to decide what jewels this outfit needs. So maybe we'll go for the humongo chunky turn lock. Ooh, this is gonna make such a statement. Do you like that? I do these guys. Try these on. What do we think? Oh yes. Oof, I can't decide. Also, shout out to Alyssa. She recommended this hairbrush roller. Trying to be a matcha girly.
Are you here?
Do they use ceremonial grade? That's always like the question that people ask when they're into matcha. Oh, I like it. Oh, that's delicious.
I like just the clean.
Great.
I'm excited for this one.
And then bring it back like an inch. Yeah, perfect.
Please let me know if the hair is hairing, okay?
Maybe to cut up just a smidge. We'll cut it back out where you were.
We just dropped community curation. It's like 11:59. We're waiting until it hit 12. Okay. Someone bought something already?
Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, so I'll say action, and then you'll go, you'll sit down, you'll pick your leg up, hang the bag down. Go ahead.
How cute. Look at that butter. Oh, shoot. Is it French? No, it's Trader Joe's. The baguette has made its way onto the table. Slay. Earrings. These are huge. I love them. And then look at this necklace. And then we have a vintage Gucci belt. We are decked out. This mood board, oh my goodness. I love the jewelry on it too. There's some Easter eggs in this shot. Some iconic bags that we've sold in the past. Do some practice.
But yeah, you totally can. I don't know what. Sorry, just go, do it, and then I'll pull your jeans. So, Michigan handing me people these Polaroids. I feel like I'm sprinkle over the playground.
Can you have her do the other leg?
Pricing is done!
Walk to you.
Wow.
For another extra thing.
We're trying to figure out how to tie a tie. Beth is prepping the next shot. Oh my god, look at these brooches. Guys, this is one of my favorite Hermes cadenas we've ever sourced. It's a little carousel that actually like spins. How cool is that? Oh my goodness. An Hermes Swift In and Out Birkin 25. Whew.
Nika.
Yes. What?
I want to put a beetle right here.
Go for it. Yeah.
That is so cool. Or
Still lives?
so we're done. For social.
Oh my gosh.
You have the second script?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay.
How many people does it take to put on one Cartier Love Bagel?
We don't have any actual chocolates, do we?
Should we put them closer together so that it's more like chocolate?
This height, but I think maybe we'll put the milk up behind.
We're going to be doing our bag repair shot next. We want to show like the bag, but not specifically a bag. That looks cool. Oh my gosh, the sparkle. Just picked up some groceries. Chloe's here. She's our butter girl in this butter outfit with the butter Chanel. Look at all her jewelry too. Yes. Last scene. Okay. That's a wrap.